Welcome back everyone to Cooking with Frenchy. Cooking and baking made easy. Today's recipe is about a classic, the toffee sauce. I know I have been going through a lot of sauce at the moment, but I just want to get you back to basics. Do the basics things correctly, nice and properly. So I'm going to show you a very easy sauce, the toffee sauce, loved by many. You can put it on sticky date pudding, which will be part of my recipe at some stage, but also you can just serve it with chocolate cake, mud cake, vanilla cake, anything you love, as long as you love toffee. So before we start, make sure you subscribe, you change your notification bell setting. Also, under this video in the description, you will find the link to my website to have the full printable recipe. Don't forget to like it and share it to all your social media. So let's get started and let's cook a storm in your kitchen. All I need for the toffee sauce, it's a nice saucepan, a little bit of brown sugar, light, soft or dark, whichever one you like, some cream and a bit of butter. So what I will start with is actually to put the cream into the saucepan. Put all the cream in there and the brown sugar. Just give it a little stir together. Make sure it dissolves and there is no lumps. And we are going to bring that to the stove. So for the toffee sauce, all I need to do is to keep stirring as I cook or melt the sugar. It's going to come to a boiling motion and a sweet little reduction. We are going to boil it for about 2 or 3 minutes, just until we get the right consistency. Bit more light on the subject. The little white dots you see, it's the little bits of my cream. So as you can see, my sauce just got to boiling motion. I'm just gonna keep boiling it for about 2 to 3 minutes to concentrate really the sugar and the cream together and to have a beautiful texture. Let it simmer gently. Once it's boiling, I let it simmer because depending on the cream you use, some cream have a tendency to split very quickly. Therefore, you can see in your toffee sauce a lot of white dots. That means the cream has overheated and separated. That's why it's important to simmer it and give it a nice little stir here and then. Once you're happy with the consistency of your sauce, remove from the heat and add all your butter. And same again, give it a little stir just to make sure the butter is melting. The butter is going to make your sauce richer in calories for sure, but also in flavor. Furthermore, it will make your sauce much more shiny. And as I always say, there is no pleasure without butter. So just stir it until it's all melted. Let's transfer that to a bowl. Look at that. Nice and shiny toffee sauce. Perfect for your cakes, your desserts, your tart, but also if you cool it down for your yogurt. Yum. Check, check. Beautiful. Napping and coating. That's how it should be. Like me, I hope you really enjoyed this recipe, the toffee sauce. Very easy to recreate at home and share it with your friend on the beautiful desserts or sweet you are going to make. Remember, it only takes less than 5 minutes to prepare, less than 5 minutes to cook. Look at this. I'm going to use that for my steamed pudding. And just pour it on top. The funniest thing, doesn't even feel sweet. It's nice and velvety. Beautiful. Anyway, time for me to go, and see you next time on Cooking with Frenchy. Bye.